The Galway Wool Co-op is an innovative virtual cooperative and is the first of its kind in Ireland, now comprising 43 pedigree registered Galway sheep flocks throughout Ireland. Their main goal is to restore the cultural and economic value of native Irish wool, support local farmers by ensuring fair prices for their wool, and to promote it as a sustainable biofibre both locally and internationally. The Galway Wool Co-op were formed virtually during the COVID pandemic in 2021 using a web conference platform, and they subsequently developed an e-commerce website that serves as a marketplace, connects wool growers across Ireland with buyers worldwide and creatives who want to work with the Galway wool in their art practices and their businesses. The Galway Wool Co-op increased the base price of wool, benefiting farmers directly from 20 cents per kilogram to €2.50, which gives the capacity of farmers to reinvest their earnings into every facet of small towns and villages in Ireland. More importantly, each kilogram of Galway wool grown takes up to 2 kilograms of carbon from the atmosphere. The digital elements of the project created a big online community of wool growers, which was only possible by using digital tools. Digital tools also help battle isolation in rural areas. Connectivity plays a crucial role to the development of rural areas. Often remote areas need better connectivity to reduce carbon emissions. Rural areas of Ireland and indeed Europe should not be left behind.